Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I will be doing another episode of Study with a Dummy. Honestly, I think that name is pretty good, so yeah, I'm sticking with it. Today we are studying Korean. I don't have a formal class in learning Korean. I'm just learning it for fun, and also I'm just learning it just so I can do something else with my time and have something to do in my free time rather than studying more for my SAT, even though I should, but I'm not. Let's get started. So for the most part, actually, I learn Korean through my phone, and I mainly use Quizlet. This is where I learned practically the entire Korean alphabet. I have 4 apps that I use, and the first one is Talk to Me Korean, Dictionary Box, and this game called Korean Dungeon. You learn words with this app. I can't really play it that well, to be honest, without the like romanization, which is why I don't really use it as much. But when I'm at work and I'm bored, this is what I do. For the most part, Quizlet is like my best friend. Yeah, so basically I just press learn, and yeah, I've so far done 3% of the goal, but basically there's like 328 words in this Quizlet that I found. I can read this, I think it says gurigo. I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna oh man, I got it wrong. I thought it was a then. Is it kurigo or gurigo? But I don't really know. If you're a native Korean speaker and you're watching this, please help me. I can read characters, but I don't know which letter technically it is, because there's like options. So yeah. So this says Gibun. I think that's feelings. Okay. Normally, honestly, I can't even remember. See, this is why it's important to write it down. So since I already have this notebook, I'm just gonna write stuff down on it so that I remember the words I keep forgetting. See, I'm gonna put just a random word. Botong. Oh, botong. I forgot again. Okay, I'm gonna write this down. To be honest, I do not know how to write Korean, but I do know how to read it. So this is also the first time I'm writing in Korean. You can't even see it. So it's botong. Botong. Can someone teach me how to actually type it though? Because I have to like put a space on it. Is that how it's supposed to be? To like properly put it in the right form, I guess. Yo. I don't know this, so just gonna guess. That says I do not know. Garun. Different. Okay, I'm gonna write that down. Got in. So far, this is not going well. But honestly, this is like every time I do this to work. I really forgot all of these. I just know it ends with heyo. Irur heyo. I'm gonna put that. Shoes. I know it starts with a sh sound, but there's 2 options I have that. Shinbar. That's it. Shinbar. This says shoyo. This is to write, I think. That says garun. Yes, that's different. Garun is different. Yay! So far, 4%. Better than a while ago. Living room. Uh-oh. I have no idea. It's gosir. To work is 일을 해요. 해요 is this. Oof. Oh, I almost got it though. That was a close one, guys. I'm so proud of myself though. That says 신고게 ring? Oh, it's sink. 총곡 중국? That's how 친구, right? I'm just gonna say it's China. 사랑해. Wait, what? 사랑하가? 사랑하가? It says 사랑하다. I thought it was 하가. So it's to love, because it has the word sarang. I would say it's this one, hima. Yeah. To work is 일을 해요. 일을. Yes, this one. This one's living room. I think it was like 기분. Is to write, right? Ah! I keep messing up. Why do I keep thinking that? 백화점 is department store. So that's piano. Oh, that made a lot of sense. That says 기분 is feelings. 기분 feelings. 5%, guys. It's been only 30 minutes, you know? It says moi chor sha morsha yo. Wait, what? Morchukayo. Oh, why did I think that was SS? Never mind. I thought it was sh. It was g. So my camera battery died just as when I was about to finish. Yeah, so I guess this wraps up the video, but I hope you guys liked this video and enjoy it. I really enjoyed learning Korean because I feel like I retained a lot of them now because I wrote them down, and also it helped me practice how to write as well as try to remember them, you know? So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that one day you guys would also be encouraged in learning a language or studying at least. I hope you guys enjoyed another episode of Study with a Dummy. That's me. That's pretty much it. Give it a like if you did enjoy it. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet. So that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비치듯이 Life